In our example, you can now see your priorities, your task areas, and all tasks at a glance. The activities with a yellow background are crucial for your success. Those with an orange background are urgent. You should complete them immediately. Weekydo also includes many other functions that help you manage your time efficiently. You will be more productive, more relaxed, and soon have more time for yourself. One of them is the practical filter function. If you only want to see or work on certain tasks, you can easily filter them. You have 16 options to choose from in the menu window. And of course, you can combine all filter options with each other. As long as one or more filters are active, you will only see the filtered tasks in your weekly schedule. You can see this when the menu item filter pulsates in blue. If you click on clear, all tasks are visible again. If you ever have the feeling that your tasks have suddenly disappeared, it is most likely only your filter that is active. The notes function replaces annoying post-its and notes. Here you can enter current information or checklists, record notes, note topics for meetings, create travel packing lists, and much more. What's more, you can place the notes field anywhere on the screen so that you always have a complete overview of things. On the right side, you'll find the practical energy tracker. It records all energies that activate your energy level. For example, yoga, making music, gymnastics, everything that makes you happy and more satisfied. The Weekydo plan is not meant to turn you into a workhorse, but to increase your personal productivity. And hobbies and other things that make you happy are especially important. Of course, you know best how often you want to pursue your hobbies. Simply enter the number of activities you plan to do per week as a default for the pencil icon and click a tick on the day when you have done the activity so that the tracker can record it correctly. In addition to the energy tracker, there are also many performance evaluations about your priorities, your tasks, and even all of your other activities. You can see at a glance which results you have already achieved. With every task you mark as completed, the Pro score bar changes color. Value tasks count double. This boosts your motivation level and helps you feel more satisfied. You can see the detailed evaluation by clicking on the small arrow next to performance.